My channel has videos that are not made for children. This channel is also not made for children. It's made for adult toy collectors and toy buyers, like seeing people and toy collectors, and especially for parents who like to buy toys. If you're under the age of 13, please watch as an adult, or please see the channel, or better yet, watch with an older teenager. Thank you very much. Now enjoy the show. Hey everyone, how are you doing in this wonderful Labor Day afternoon? This is George, and today's Toy Boxing review, we're going to go way back in time to 1993 with this very handsome Autism Magic Aladdin doll. He's released by Mattel in 1993. I was about 11 years old at the time. And before I get to the review, I want to thank you guys for having reached over 200 subscribers to my channel. I am very happy that y'all love my content. I'm so happy that y'all like what I do on my channel. I'm so happy that you guys like what I do, and I can't wait to see you guys again. I'm just so happy that you guys make me happy, and it's a very good day for me indeed. I want to thank you guys very much for having reached over 200 subscribers. And speaking of over 200 subscribers, I'm going to have a special surprise planned for when I get to 500 subscribers later on in the video. I'll tell y'all then. But right now, we're going to take a look at this doll in a box, close and personal. Here he is in this box. The box is quite thin, head to toe. And here's where it says Autism Magic on top. This doll is in G-Box from his department store. Here's Aladdin on his glory in his box. Here's his neon fit. It's quite, well, let's just say that sexy on him. I really like it. The bitch like his short shorts. This is very popular at the time. Here's the Aladdin logo. It says Magical Jewel changes from river to peak in the water. Here's a close of the jewel change. Here's perfect purchase, and here's where it says until 1993 on the bottom of the box. And here's a small picture of Jasmine with his baby as well. And here is a picture of both Aladdin and Jasmine together. And here's what this paragraph says about the outfits. And here they are again, and here's the paragraph of the dolls on top of the box. I'm just gonna let it sit here for a minute so you guys read it. And here's an image of Agaba, or £1,000 on the side of the box. I forgot to say that he's item number 11273. And now we're going to go ahead and show you guys this exact same doll I've had since I was younger. And here he is. See, actually, this doll I'm holding right now, I've had him for many, many years. And as you can see that, you can tell by his age. And as you can tell, his outfit has grown some because I have him for so many years. But he's still quite handsome in my opinion. And now I'm going to again take this box right here and move it over to the side. And now we'll take a look at this doll right here that I've already owned for many years. He is up close and personal. Here's seeing him as the Aladdin dolls that Mattel made back then. His hat is one on his head and is painted purple and gold. and I like his vest. I used to make a similar vest for my $9 back then too, but it's in blue. And this one's a purple. It has that little gold big like all around. It goes front and back. As I said, this vest has done some over the years. And here's his swim trunks. It's quite sexy on him. And that goes in the back. And here's the deal on his swim trunks. But I'm not going to test to kind of change the feature because I heard sometimes that the deal can fall from the water over time. Here he is again. Very handsome. And he is head to toe. And he actually has other legs as he can actually post his legs. Nowadays, Barbie dolls can't even do that unless they're meant to move. He also has the upper articulation of the head, arms, and hips. I definitely like this doll. I highly recommend him to or anyone who wants a Aladdin doll in their collection. And he's quite easily affordable nowadays, considering his doll's age. And as I said earlier, I got surpassed by my 100 subscribers, and when I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to give away this doll right here, the box version of Aladdin Magic Aladdin. And when I get to 100 subscribers, I'll pick a name and random, and that person will win this has a doll in a box. Well, so I'm about to come to a close. I decided to again review this handsome doll right here. I guess the only other time you guys see him on my channel is when I reviewed some Barbie Loves the Ocean paint set. I had him using it. Now, thank you guys for watching my channel and my Twitter views. If you want to see some of my videos, please subscribe to the channel as always. And I'll have more information on my 100 subscriber giveaway later on down the road. I'll see you next time. I hope you have a great day. For now.